is rosemary oil. I bought fresh rosemary from the grocery, and I came home, I washed it, I dried it on a towel, and then I actually put like about 3 full cups of organic olive oil. And also what is also included in here is, if you clearly can see those little seeds, that's actually fenugreek or METHI. So this is being infused really at a very slow temperature. Very slow temperature. And I'm going to leave it for probably, this cannot boil. So this is the real way to infuse an oil. So all this olive oil, it's being slowly infused with the rosemary. And then when it's kind of done, maybe a couple of hours, I will be leaving this together, in the pot for probably 2 days. And then I will strain it, and I will still put it to set for like a couple of weeks before I actually use it, because I plan to leave the METHI seeds or fenugreek seeds in this oil. So I can just find some more fenugreek there. It's really, it fell to the bottom of the pot. So again, do not boil this. This is on extremely low heat. So I added like almost a whole bottle of olive oil to this, but that's okay. This is going to last really long. By the way, this is not the only oil we use. Sometimes, I will take some of this, add it to some coconut oil, or some other types of oils that I like, almond oil, and I experiment with it. So it's not fully this oil that I use. This is just one, and it's actually picking up a really green color. I don't know if you could see that. I mean, olive oil is slightly greeny, but it's really picking up a nice, rich green color there. So this is actually how you make rosemary oil. If you want to use dry rosemary, it's all up to you, but I love to, when it's time to make a batch, I buy rosemary from the grocery store, organic. Just wash it, dry it for a couple of hours on a paper towel, then take it and take it out of the stems, and add your olive oil, and you're good to go. So after a couple of, maybe 1 or 2 days, I had transferred it into this reusable bottle, always glass. That is very important, to store your oils in a glass jar. Alright, so this is how the rosemary oil, it has this extreme green look to it. It's really green. Don't know if you could see the greenness. So it's very concentrated, with the rosemary. It's very, very concentrated here. And this is going to last a really long time. So this is like some of the METHI seeds, or also called fenugreek seeds, that I will be putting in my finished product, my rosemary infused oil. It just sits in there. It does not spoil. Actually, probably preserves it longer. This is something that is very medicinal in, cooking with it, your health. Also great for hair. So again, nothing fancy. Literally, it's a coffee bottle I just reused. The label is still there. What I'm going to do is actually write the date this was done, and so I'll just have an idea. I don't want to keep this. This is going to last a few months. Then the whole process starts again. So this is not only rosemary. This is a rosemary fenugreek infused oil. The fenugreek is really beneficial for the strength of your hair growth and all of that. And again, this was made with 100% organic cold pressed extra virgin oil as my oil carrier. What that means is you need to either find coconut oil or sesame seed oil or almond oil or some other oil that you like to do your rosemary in. So I chose olive oil. All right.